Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore deleted playlist on Spotify. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to open your Spotify on your laptop or PC, or you can also open it up on your mobile phone. So once you get to your Spotify, if you have deleted a playlist that you created and you want to restore it, it's actually easy. You have to click on your profile picture in the top right corner and click on account. It will open up your spotify.com/account overview, and we can log in and it will give you your account overview. So here what you guys need to do, you will click on this recover playlist. You can see these options here. You have to select recover playlist, select this one, and it will open up the playlist that you have deleted. So you can see I deleted this playlist recently, and you can see if you deleted a playlist within the last 90 days, you can get it back. Find the playlist you want to recover and click on restore. So this is the playlist. I'm just going to click on restore here, and you can see it says restored. Now this deleted playlist is restored in my account. If you just go back to your account and if you go to your playlist, you will see this playlist is here. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.